You're watching How Leap. Let's get more search visibility using AI. First, use an AI keyword research tool like ChatGPT or Google's AI-powered keyword planner to find relevant, high-traffic search terms your audience uses. Input your topic and ask for long-tail keyword suggestions. Next, use an AI writing assistant to create high-quality content around those keywords. Tools like Jasper or Copy AI can help you draft articles, meta descriptions, and titles that are optimized for search engines and are engaging to readers. Then use AI for on-page SEO. Tools like Surfer SEO or Ali AI analyze top-ranking pages and give you specific recommendations for word count, headings, and keyword placement to improve your page's score. Finally, use AI-powered analytics like Google's Search Console Insights to understand what's working and refine your strategy. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.